Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today I am unboxing the February Sleek Treat Box. This is a monthly sugar-free snack subscription box. Each box contains 5 to 8 artisanal snacks. A lot of these are handcrafted. They're all selected based on their taste. They do all the legwork for you. If you're really trying to figure out things that you like that are sugar-free, this is one to try out. The boxes are $34.99. You do have the option to cold ship them. I will link down below to them so you can check them out. Also link to my full review so you can check that out. But let's get in here and see what's in here. So you open it up and you have the card. I really like the card because it tells you what sugar alternatives they're using. I know some people are sensitive, so this really gives you an idea of what each product is. It smells something. Alright, so there's a magnet. This is from Pure Love Chocolate. Love yourself, eat good food. That's really cool. And then, is it time for chocolate? So this is from the same company. There's that. And there's the cute paper. Look at it. It is so cute. Alright. So, ooh, I see. I think that's what I smell because they have like a... This is from Pandora's Pops. These are like all handmade, vegan, like cruelty-free, organic. So this is a sweet raspberry Valentine lollipop. It's all that's in here is GMO-free xylitol, organic raspberries, organic acai fiber. No, that's not acai. It's acacia fiber. What's acacia fiber? I've never heard of that. Organic damiana, organic essential oils. So activated with love herbs and essential oils, delivering the splendor of real raspberries. So that is really cool. I love these. The last one, we got one in here before. Different flavor. It was like a peppercorn. It was amazing. Totally different. Then we've got the Pure Love Chocolate. So this is a dairy-free dark milk chocolate bar, sweetened with stevia. So this is a large bar too. And it has like the little squares, kind of like what you'd see in a Hershey's. Alright, then we have some True Chocolate. These are the solid dark chocolate wafers. These are almost like they remind you of like nonpareils, but without the little parels. I don't know if that's true. But anyway, these are little dark chocolate wafers. These are good for melting. So our next item is Cocoa Via. This has a daily cocoa extract supplement, so I'm going to have to read more about that. I don't know, I never heard of taking cocoa daily. And then this is another one. This is unsweetened dark chocolate. This is original. So these are chocolate supplements, which I think is interesting. We'll look at the card at the end to kind of get an idea of what each one is. Then we have a 1 almond bliss bar, 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. Not bad, right? It feels really heavy too. So this is like, I don't know. How many ounces? It's like 3 ounces, I guess. That's a big bar. And then finally, we have a Quest protein cookie. These are amazing. I love Quest stuff. And this is a soft and chewy double chocolate chip flavored cookie. 15 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 10 grams of fiber. Delicious. Let's look at our card. So we know that the Cocoa Via, that's the little supplements, are revolutionizing the way we think of vitamins. Their drink packets pack some of the nature's most powerful plant-based nutrients, and they're found inside the cocoa pod. Cocoa flavanols are naturally occurring phytonutrients in the cocoa bean, which are proven to promote healthy blood flow from head to toe. Keep our cardiovascular system and body in its best shape simply by adding it to drinks or food. That's very cool. And it has no added sugar or sweeteners. All right, so then we've got... Where's Vivian? Here. Hold on. Alright, so then we have the 1 bar. This is sweetened with maltitol and sucralose. Then we have this chocolate bar. They use erythritol and stevia, so there is some sugar alcohol in here. Pandora's Pops. We know they use xylitol, they had said that. They also use natural birch fiber and crystals. True Chocolate uses natural non-GMO xylitol. And finally, what is this one? No, that's a True Chocolate. What am I... Oh, I already read it all. No. No. The cookie is erythritol and stevia. Made a mistake. And then this guy is just stevia, sweetened with stevia. So that's everything that was in the February sleep treat box. If you're interested in this subscription, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to my full review where you can check out pictures and me eating everything and all the fun stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.